Would you be interested in learning how to make money without a job? Learn how to generate income on your own so you can survive during these trying times. It goes without saying that the COVID-19 epidemic has made finding a job alarmingly difficult. Companies aren't hiring as frequently as they once did, and positions that previously attracted few applicants now get a sizable applicant pool. Many of us are now reevaluating our employment options while also experiencing financial hardship. Certainly, there are numerous ways to make money without a traditional job. Keep in mind that the success and income potential of these methods can vary widely depending on your skills, dedication, and market conditions. Here are 10 ways to make money without a job. By the way, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more game-changing content. Let's get started. First on our list, sell stuff online. Many platforms exist where users can sell stuff online. The first step is deciding what to sell. Is there a collection of vintage shoes, clothes, in the back of your closet, or old electronics and furniture that are no longer in use? Sell it online, so that others can use and profit from it. And second step, if you have already income, buy from other platforms and sell it with interest. Second, blogging. Start a blog or YouTube channel on a topic you're passionate about, and monetize it through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. Third on the list, freelancing. Offer your skills as a freelance writer, graphic designer, web developer, or in other creative and technical fields on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Number 4. Tutoring or teaching. Offer online tutoring or teaching services in subjects you excel in, using platforms like VIPKid for teaching English, or Teachable for creating and selling online courses. Number 5. Renting assets. Rent out your spare room on platforms like Airbnb, or even rent out your belongings such as camera equipment, power tools like drills, saws, sanders, and grinders for DIY projects or construction tasks, or outdoor gear like camping equipment, hiking gear, and more. 6 on our list, consulting or coaching. Offer your expertise as a consultant or coach in fields like business, fitness, personal development, or any area where you have valuable insights. Number 7. Online trading. Engage in stock trading, forex trading, or cryptocurrency trading. However, be aware that these methods come with financial risks. Number 8. Pet sit. Many people are willing to pay top dollar to ensure that their pets are well cared for when they're not around. The average income for a pet sitter is about $12 per hour, according to Indeed.com. Local gigs like this present quick ways to put cash in hand. By walking the dog, you could make money in 1 hour. Number 9. House sit. Want to get paid to watch over a house and do some light cleaning? Try your hand at house sitting. Residents often seek housekeepers to take care of their property while they are away, and in return provide compensation and free accommodations. House sitting can involve keeping a house clean and organized, taking care of pets, watering plants, and more. House sitting can allow you to create flexible hours, choose your own clients, and set your own rates. Last on our list, game on Twitch. If you love playing video games, make money by playing video games on Twitch, the world's leading livestream platform. The video game industry has surged over the past few years, especially in 2020. The success and earnings that gamers accrue will vary. Still, there is a lot of money to be made in the billion-dollar industry. Create an account and begin live streaming. Turn it into a full-time job or just use it to bring in extra income. Remember that these methods require varying levels of time investment, skill development, and risk tolerance. It's important to thoroughly research each option, understand the potential income, and assess whether it aligns with your goals and abilities before diving in. Thanks for watching.